YouTube, Stat 75 here with another break for you. We got some Donruss basketball. I'm investing heavily in this year's rookie class because one guy mainly, this guy, Zion Williamson, hopefully he proves to be worth all the hype. We got our little hockey cards from the last Prism hockey break that I just did. Got a silver capo and an auto of Vitali. So we'll keep them in the background for now until we get a Zion or John Morant or an RJ or someone from these breaks. But we'll put them off to the side over here. What I'm going to do, I think, I'm just going to do one of these right now just to show you for the video what's in the rack packs or the cello packs or whatever you want to call them. Not really cello packs, they're more like hanger packs, rack packs of the Donruss Basketball 2019-2020. So let's see what we get. These are pretty thick. Hopefully this is loaded with rookies. Nice, we got a second year Luka, Seth Curry, Chris Paul. I'm a little upset because there's inserts that are called Marvels. I was hoping they were going to be in I guess they're exclusive. I'm pretty sure they're exclusive to the Hobby Donruss Basketball 2019-2020. Unfortunately, they have stuff like this, which is changing stripes. That's pretty cool. Different insert I've never seen that of going from team to team. So that's pretty cool. And then there's this one. What do we got here? Complete Players. It's another insert. It's pretty cool. Some cool inserts. Great Expectations. Jackson Hayes. So too bad it didn't have the Marvels, but you got the rated rookies. You know who we're going for, obviously. Kyle Guy. Wow, it's loaded with rated rookies. That's cool. Romeo Langford. Jalen Noel. Oh, cool. We got a Rui. Nice. That was packed with rated rookies. So, got one top rookie right there with the Rui. And back to the veterans. John Wall, DeAndre Ayton, Malcolm Brogdon, De'Aaron Fox, Kawhi Leonard, Mo Bamba. So I don't want this video to run forever. So what I'm going to do out of this gravity box that you see in the background there, I'm going to do, let's take it all in how much I just bought today, which is crazy. Like I said, I'm investing heavily in this, so I bought all the rack packs that they had. I bought the whole gravity box full, brand new gravity box, and they had 3 blaster boxes was all I could say. So we'll break those blaster boxes later. Right now for this video, for time purposes, I think we're going to do like a good chunk of the gravity box. We'll do like half of it. So there's like 40-something packs in here. We'll see what we can do. Let's do, we got 10, so 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Let's see if I can strip some more packs out of this gravity box. Get another chunk as they drop down, hence the gravity. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What do we do? Like 20-something. You know what? I think this is a good chunk. We'll do this many. So we took out like almost half the box here. So we'll rip through these as quick as we can because there are like 8 cards per pack. So it's a lot of cards we're gonna go through here. Gonna fill up this table full of rated rookies. Let's get started. Let's just start ripping. This is a thick pack. I wonder what this has. It has like a memorabilia card in it or something. Let me pull the camera back a little. Oh, there is that like a filler card or is it a mem card? Haha, it's a filler card to fake people out. Mitchell Robinson, Ricky Rubio, Jimmy Butler. Seems like you got a ton of rookies in those rack packs. And the illustrious filler card. We'll keep that for hiding. Complete Players, Luka. Nice. That's a cool insert. Chuma Okiki, Kevin Porter Jr. So I think there's 2 rated rookies per pack in these. So we'll see how we do. So you got a pretty good comparison of the cello or rack pack versus the gravity feed pack to see. You get 2 rated rookies in the gravity feed pack, and in that hanger pack you got a ton of rated rookies. I think we pulled, how many rated rookies did we pull out? Nice of these packs to open so nicely. You know what, let's see how many we pull, because we just got 2 in this one, right? So two down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 rated rookies in the hanger rack pack, and we got 2 in these. Rodney Hood, Lonzo Ball. Well, Lonzo got a bunch of tattoos. OG Anunoby, another thick filler card. Complete players, Nikola Vucevic. Rated rookie, is that PJ? No, Jalen McDaniels and Ty Jerome. So no real big name rookies in that one. Liking the look of the cards, but they look good. They look sharp. Here's a nice thin pack, so I don't think we're gonna have any filler insert cards in this pack. So Rudy Gobert. I'm gonna kind of not yell out everyone's name unless I come across a newer card. So Lou Williams franchise features. Yet another insert. Pretty cool, but I like that insert. And who's the slow rookie? Dylan Windler. Alan Smith. We got Colin Sexton. And Avery Bradley. Another thin pack here. So I don't think there's a filler card in this one. Which is fine. Oh, is there? No. No. Yusuf Carl Anthony Towns, DeJounte Murray. What is this? Changing stripes. Yeah, thank God he changed stripes. I don't like this guy. He's an idiot. I am not a fan of this clown. I'm glad that my Boston Celtics don't have him on them anymore. They're doing better without him anyway. And Bruno Fernando and Brandon Clark for the Raider rookies. Oh, nice. There's my boy, Jason Tatum. I was going crazy for his rookie 2 years ago. Got a few of them. Got a few good ones. A couple silvers of him, which I'm glad to own. And I got a nice blue cracked ice PSA 10 of him. Lonnie Walker the fourth. He was a big rookie last year. Alonzo Trier, Bradley Beal. Great expectations, Tyler Herro. The inserts look really sharp. And then 2 cool rated rookies. PJ Washington Jr. is a pretty good rated rookie. T.J. Warren, John Collins. I'm liking these cards. They're not, they're not as hyped up as Prism, but I'm sure because of Zion, they're gonna fly off the shelves anyway. That's why I grabbed them as soon as I saw them. Pretty much took everything. Oh, that'd be so sweet if we got like a special Zion insert. Oh, it's upside down. Nah, it's not a rated rookie. All right, so DeAndre Jordan. Oh, it is a rated rookie. That's awesome. Brandon Clark, numbered to 50. Would have been sweet if it was a Zion, but I will take that. That's a nice pink pulsar prism, whatever it is. That is a sharp card. Let's sleeve that up right after. Oh, cool. Another good rated rookie, Kobe White. Then Terrence Mann, don't know much about him. Luke Kennard, yes it is. He's still playing. Miles Turner. So let's pause for station identification. while I sleeve up this beautiful Prism rookie, rated rookie. Let's see here. And there you have it. That is just a sharp card. Me likey. Put that over there. Alright, on to the next pack. I hope we get more. I think there's only an average of like 3 per gravity box. But it's good to know that this gravity box wasn't searched because it was in there. At least one was in there. Well, I think we got this gravity box before any potential searchers got to it. What do we got here? Another Changing Stripes. Oh, nice. I see a good rated rookie right there. So Anthony Davis going over to the Lakers. That's pretty cool. Then we got Tyler Herro and Ball. That's a good couple of rated rookies. Especially the Herro. Hero, whatever you want to call him. He is a hero. Alright, Andrew Robertson. Son Whiteside. Changing Stripes. We got an RJ Barrett. Nice. Paul George changing stripes. Got the RJ Barrett and a Carson Edwards. That's a good couple of rated rookies right there. Very, very good. Lovely. Lovely pack of cards right there. Happy to take those puppies home. Josh Okogie, DeRozan. John Wall. Oh, nice. Got a Grant Williams and a Great Expectations of Brandon Clark. Grant Williams and Eric Pascal. Nice. Just wanted to throw the RJ Barrett in the sleeve. The sleeve was being a pain in the ass. All right. DeAndre Ayton, De'Aaron Fox. Franchise features Joe Harris. Who's that? Alexander Walker, Cody Martin, Jay Crowder, Michael Porter Jr., and a security card. All right, moving right along. Paul Gasol, Cauley Stein, Holiday. Franchise features Victor Oladipo. Then we got a rated rookie of Smelajog and Brandon Clark. Mr. Kennard again. No Zions, which is pretty good because that shows me it's not like, you know, super. Oh, I spoke too soon. Got a nice Zion insert right there. Great expectations. That's cool. I like it. Terrence Mann and Windler. But what I meant when I said no Zions was the rated rookie. So no Zion rated rookies yet, which is good. They're not a dime a dozen, so if they're shorter printed, that is always a good thing. I think we will swap out a few of the cards we have on display there right now. We will take Mr. Williamson and put him there. And we'll take the Pulsar, the pink Pulsar variant, numbered to 50, and put him there. And move on to the next pack to open. Kobe White, Bradley Beal, complete. Kobe White. Is that Thibault? Oh, Jarrett Culver. Oh yeah, so you know it says GF for gravity feed, and there's the odds if you want to pause. Let's see what the odds are for the packs, or the ratios, or whatever you want to call it. League leaders, Paul George. That's pretty cool. Haven't seen one of those yet. Rated rookie here too, and it is another PJ Washington Jr. and Nicholas Claxton. I think we got those two before. Repeat action on the rookies. Franchise features, Damian Lillard. And nice, another Rui Hachimura and an Isaiah Robbie. PG-13. Miles Bridges franchise features. Simonek and Kyle Guy. Oh, that Zion rated rookie is eluding us. Eluding us. Does not want to be captured. I think we're going to have to get a bigger boat. Okay, there's Smith. Complete Giannis Antetokounmpo. I can never say his name. I'm not Greek, so I don't say it good. And DeAndre Hunter rated rookie. Well, we're almost done with this kind of halfway point of the gravity box break. OG Diallo. Oh, we did get an actual memorabilia card. Jersey Series, Bradley Beal. That's cool. That's a cool insert. Franchise features James Harden, Jordan Bone, and Cam Reddish, rated rookies. That's pretty cool. Can't wait for the Optic basketball to come out. Can't wait to see these guys in like hollows and get a nice Raider rookie hollow of Zion. Another, oh, do we get an auto? Jeff Teague, CJ McCollum. Oh, another, ooh, nice. A jersey series of RJ Barrett. That is sweet. That is very sweet. Big rookie. Devin Booker. Thought we got a Zion there when I saw that Raider rookie. But still eluding us. That great white shark. Can't get him. And a Kemba Walker on the Celtics there. Okay. That's pink. Nope, not a Raider rookie. D'Angelo Russell. That's too bad. That would have been cool. It was a pink Prism Raider rookie. Zion? Nope. Nasir Little and a Darius Blazley. Can't touch the Zion Raider rookie yet. Can't touch this. Let's see. Getting quite a bit of inserts. Hope we didn't get them all. Great Expectations, Ty Jerome. There he is. Finally got that guy. It's good to know he's that rare. You know, Larry Markkinen, nice. It's very good to know that he is that rare. So, because we've opened quite a few packs, 20 some odd packs. And we just finally got our first Zion. So he's not a dime a dozen. Card appears to be in pretty good shape. Get him a top loader here. Get a nice home for our guest, Mr. Zion. Take that Raider rookie, we'll put him over there. Keep the Zions. All right. Last pack, so, of this break, of the halfway break of the gravity box. So we got Zion, second to last pack mojo. Do we get another? Almost, it looked like his. So, Blake franchise features Blake Griffin. And a Cody Martin. Alright, so that wraps up the break. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great evening.